Hi there. In this video I am gonna show you how you can fix this issue which says, "Sorry, you're not allowed to access this page." This error usually displays when you're trying to see a page in your WordPress dashboard that your user role doesn't have permission to see. However, you might see the error sometimes even when you're supposed to have access to that page. This error can be caused by a lot of different reasons which makes it tricky for beginners to troubleshoot. WordPress user roles and permissions define what your users can and can't do in WordPress. For example, here I tried to access Theme Builder and it says, "Sorry, you're not allowed to access this page." So first thing you need to check is your user roles. Like what user role you have been assigned. So to check, go to Users and click All Users from your admin account. Here you can see, the current user role assigned is set as Author. A user role is made up of certain capabilities, or permissions, that spell out the actions they can take on your website. Author is a fairly low-risk user role. So if you really need to access to something, ask your admin to change user role for you. Here you can see, I've changed it to Contributor, and now if I try to access the Theme Builder, you can see, now I can access this page from WordPress. So the first thing you need to check in this kind of situation is user roles. If you have an admin user role, and you're still seeing the, "Sorry, you are not allowed to access this page" error, then it could be caused by a corrupted .htaccess file. So to really confirm if really this is the problem, you need to go to your cPanel or FTP file manager. Under Public HTML, you should see the .htaccess file. If you don't see it, go to Settings and check Show Hidden Files. Now rename the file to save it as backup. Once you rename the file, log into WordPress dashboard. And under Settings, click Permalink. Simply click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page, and WordPress will generate a fresh .htaccess file. If that fixed your error, then it must be the corrupted .htaccess file. But if that doesn't fix, revert back the changes. Another thing you can try is updating your PHP version. So to update, go to your cPanel, and locate Multi-PHP Manager. Might be a different title for you. Here you can see, it's showing me a warning, that my PHP version is deprecated. So to update, select your domain, and from the drop-down, select the latest PHP version. Check if your error is fixed. I am sure these methods will solve the issue for you which says, "Sorry, you're not allowed to access this page." If still, none of the methods worked, contact your hosting company and maybe they will be able to help you out. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.